Hi everyone, I'm Niyati Gupta and I've come with the last video for the simultaneous linear equation series. So until now we have done the substitution method, elimination method and the last method in which I did a unique question of elimination method. Okay. So the last part of this chapter is the cross multiplication method specifically. And today we are going to solve this pair of linear equation using the cross multiplication method. Okay, so first of all we have to write these two equations in their general form. अब general form कौन सी थी जिसमें a, b और c all three of them are on the same side of the equal to. So which means this is going to be 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and this is going to be 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. ठीक है. Step 1, एक तो ये नंबर आपको याद करने हैं एज इफ दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ अ कार. जैसे हम गाड़ी के नंबर याद कर लेते हैं वैसे ही ये नंबर आपको याद करना है 2312. इसका मतलब क्या है, 2 के नीचे आप सेकेंड कोएफिशिएंट्स लिखेंगे, तो 2 and 5. 3 के नीचे आप थर्ड टर्म्स लिखेंगे, -4 -9. 1 के नीचे आप फर्स्ट टर्म्स लिखेंगे 3 और 8 और 2 के नीचे अगेन 2 and 5. Okay, so this is the first step. Now you make such a chart. अब इनके नीचे हमें नंबर्स पुट करने हैं. कैसे पुट करेंगे? You have to go down first and each time you go down you multiply. So you're going down, you're multiplying it. आप यहाँ लिख दो 9 into 2 18 with a negative sign minus. Then you put a subtraction sign. Then you go up. Then again you multiply. 5 into minus 4 is a minus 20. Okay, now we come to the next part. Minus 4 multiplied by 8 minus 32. Put a subtraction sign. Then you go up. So minus 9 into 3 minus 27. Now again you go down. This is 1. This is different from 5. Don't get confused. 3 into 5 15 minus, now you go up, 8 into 2 16. We'll see how we solve this further, but from this step you know why is it called the cross multiplication method, because we are making cross at each step. Okay, I'm going to erase the first part. Okay, so अगर इसको सॉल्व करके लिखें x upon minus 18 plus 20, y upon minus 32 plus 27, 1 upon 15 minus 16. What is minus 18 plus 20? A 2. Y upon minus 32 plus 27, it will give you a minus 5. And 1 upon 15 minus 16 is a minus 1. Now let us see how to find x and y. You compare the first and the last term. You compare it, which means x upon 2 is equal to minus 1. 1 upon minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. So x upon 2 is equal to minus 1. You take 2 on the other side. So x is equal to minus 2. Now you compare the second and the last term. So y upon minus 5 is equal to minus 1. You take it on the other side. Y is equal to minus 5 into minus 1, which makes it a plus 5. So y is equal to plus 5. So this is the solution of those two linear equations that we took in the beginning. The catch here is you have to compare the variable with the constant term one by one. पहले x को constant से compare करो, फिर y को constant से compare करो, then you will get x and y. And the number that you have to remember is 2, 3, 1, 2. 2 के नीचे second term के coefficients, 3 के नीचे third term के coefficients, 1 के नीचे first term के coefficient, and again the second term's coefficient. This is how you can do cross multiplication method. I hope you enjoyed today's video. In case of any doubts, you can put them in the comment section or get in touch with us. Thank you.